Alright, in this video we're going to look at how to make a Google form. In your Drive, click Create and Form. Here it pulls up your untitled form, so all you have to do is click here and change the name. Okay, a couple things I do. If you want to use it with students, you might want to check this box. Automatically collect respondents' Coffee County Board of Education username. This makes it so you don't have to add a question of what is your name, and can save time on the quiz. Students may also like to show a progress bar, and if you only want them to do one response, then it requires a login and they can only do one response. And you can also shuffle the order if you were in a testing situation. Down at the bottom, publish and show a public link to form results. This may be valuable if you were doing a non-high stakes type test. Okay, if you'd like to be able to make up work, check this, allow respondents to edit responses after submitting. That may be an option you could explore. Okay, so here's your basic question title. Okay, this is where you actually add the multiple choice question. So January, could be anything. And you can create a multiple choice, a paragraph text, a text, check boxes, choose from a list, scale, grid, date, time. So if you wanted to put in a multiple choice question, then option 1, 30, 31, 29. Okay, so these are 3 options. Now if you'd like to add another area for students to write, that could be something to do. Alright, so you also want to require the question so they can't skip it. If you go into advanced settings, this one allows to shuffle option order, and you don't necessarily need to do that. When you're done with that question, you click done, or you can go straight into add item. So if you know what kind of item you'd like, whether it be a multiple choice or a checkbox, go ahead and check that. You can also choose to insert a video or an image. So you had an image of some diagram you wanted the students to respond to, you could add that image. Or if you wanted a page break, then it would only show the first question and then it would have to go to the next page. By adding a video, that's where you can insert a video and then ask questions about the video. Okay, that's the basics. So when you're all done, click done and then send form. You can either click send form here and enter a student's email addresses, or you can use this link and post it in an email or pop it to a web page. There's also an embed code. If you have a website and you'd like the form to be embedded, you can do that. You can also click short URL, and this pulls up the goo.gl URL shortener. Say if you wanted to post this on the board for students to type it in, you don't have such a long number as you see up at the top. So this would be much easier to use. Okay. Alright, so that's the basics of creating a Google form. Good luck.